Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to tackle one of the most common questions in Unity game development. Using C#, how to create a button that's both holdable and clickable. This is an essential topic for any Unity developer looking to add more interactivity to their games or applications. Whether you're building a 2D platformer, a 3D adventure, or even a puzzle game, understanding how to implement buttons with advanced functionality will take your user interface to the next level. In this video, we'll dive into the concepts and steps involved in creating such a button. We'll explore what makes a button holdable and clickable, discuss the different approaches you can take, and provide clear explanations of each step. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement these buttons in your own Unity project. So, let's start with the basics. A clickable button is one that responds to a single press or click event. This is straightforward and easily achievable using Unity's built-in UI element. However, making a button holdable requires more thought. Essentially, you want the button to perform an action when held down for a certain amount of time. One approach to creating a holdable button involves using Coroutine. A coroutine is essentially a function that can pause its execution and resume where it left off at a later point in time. This makes them perfect for timing-dependent actions like our holdable button. Imagine you're designing a game where holding down on a button causes your character to sprint. You would want the sprinting action to begin after, say, 0.5 seconds of holding down the button, and continue as long as the button is held. Using a coroutine, you can set up a timer that starts when the button press is detected and triggers the sprint action once the desired time has passed. Another crucial aspect of creating an effective holdable and clickable button is providing clear user feedback guiding. This could be in the form of visual effects, sound cues, or even haptic feedback for mobile devices. The idea is to ensure that users have a clear understanding of when their actions are being registered by the game. For example, you might change the color or texture of the button when it's pressed and held, indicating to the user that their action has been acknowledged. This kind of visual cue not only enhances usability, but also adds depth to your game's UI. To summarize, creating a holdable and clickable button in Unity involves understanding how to work with coroutines for timing actions, implementing clear user feedback mechanisms, and effectively combining these elements to achieve the desired functionality. Remember, the key is to ensure that your buttons respond intuitively to user input while providing a rich, engaging experience. That's it for today's video on making holdable and clickable buttons in Unity using C#. I hope you found this explanation helpful in understanding how to add more complexity and interactivity to your game or application. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and consider subscribing for more content on Unity development, C#, and related topics. Your engagement is what drives me to create more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.